Anomaly. Now, repeat after me. Anomaly, anomaly, anomaly. Meaning. An anomaly is something unusual, unexpected, or out of the ordinary. Something that doesn't follow the usual pattern or behavior. Anomalies are often rare events in nature, data, or situations that stand out because they don't fit the norm. In a sentence, the scientist noticed an anomaly in the data suggesting something unusual was happening. Here, anomaly refers to a surprising result that didn't fit the usual pattern. Let's try another example. Her perfect score on the difficult test was an anomaly. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using anomaly. Synonyms. Some related terms for anomaly are irregularity, something that's from the usual or expected pattern. Abnormality, an unusual or unexpected condition or event. Antonyms. The opposite of anomaly would be norm, the standard or expected pattern. Usual, something that occurs regularly or predictably. Part of speech. Anomaly is a noun referring to something unexpected or out of the ordinary. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.